Flying in 2026 feels normal. That's the problem, because nothing looks different until your bag stops moving. The rules didn't change. The way they enforce them did. And if TSA can't verify an item instantly, it doesn't fly. No warnings, no second chances. Today, we're breaking down the electronics travelers are quietly losing in 2026, so you don't become the next one standing at the checkpoint arguing over gear you'll never get back. And the first one, it's costing people hundreds of dollars before takeoff. Number 1. Smart Luggage, the $400 mistake. Smart Luggage feels like a travel upgrade. Built-in chargers, tracking, sleek design. In 2026, it's one of the fastest ways to lose money at the airport. The rule is simple and unforgiving. Any smart suitcase with a non-removable lithium-ion battery is banned. Not sometimes, not depending on the airport, banned from checked bags, banned from carry-on. Full stop. Fire risk. If a lithium battery enters thermal runaway in the cargo hold, the crew can't reach it, and that's a risk aviation authorities will never gamble with. Travelers get trapped here because the suitcase looks compliant. One woman lost a $500 bag because the battery technically was removable, but only with a screwdriver. TSA didn't care. She ditched the bag or missed the flight. In 2026, Smart Luggage is either compliant or it's dead weight. And that's just the beginning.
Number 2. Power banks, the silent confiscation. Almost everyone flies with a power bank now. Phone, tablet, headphones. It feels harmless. That's why people are losing them. TSA scanners in 2026 identify battery density instantly. And the rule isn't about size, it's about watt hours. Under 100 watt, carry-on only. Between 101 and 160 watt, airline approval required. Over 160 watt, completely banned. Here's the catch most people miss. If TSA can't clearly read the watt-hour label, they confiscate it. No guessing, no research, no benefit of the doubt. Faded text? Gone. Off-brand with no specs? Gone. In 2026, power banks don't get warnings, they get taken. Have you ever checked the watt hours on your power bank? Number 3, loose spare batteries, the photographer's trap. Photographers, drone pilots, tech travelers, this is where experience doesn't save you. Spare lithium-ion batteries are never allowed in checked luggage, ever. Loose batteries can short-circuit. Heat builds, fire follows. But even in carry-on bags, there's another rule people ignore. Battery terminals must be protected. Original packaging, tape, battery cases, tossing loose cells into a pouch, the CT scanner flags it immediately. If they're in checked luggage, you won't even be there. You'll just open your bag at your destination and find a TSA notice. In 2026, I didn't know doesn't slow anything down. And the next one, people swear it's allowed until it's gone.
Number 4, cordless hair tools, unpredictable enforcement. Cordless hair tools look innocent. Curlers, straighteners, travel stylers. Lithium-powered versions belong in carry-on bags, but that's not enough anymore. TSA now evaluates accidental activation. If it can turn on and heat up inside your bag, it's a risk. Butane-powered tools are worse. Technically allowed, practically inconsistent. Some airlines ban them. Some officers won't take the chance. In 2026, if an officer is unsure, it doesn't fly. Number 5, vapes and e-cigarettes, zero tolerance. If you vape, this rule is absolute. Vapes are never allowed in checked luggage, ever. Lithium battery plus liquid equals fire risk. Carry on only, powered off, secured. And if TSA finds one in your checked bag, you don't get to explain. You find out when it's gone. Did you know this rule before today? Number 6, electric razors. Why they're getting pulled. Electric razors aren't banned, but damaged ones don't survive 2026. Cracks, tape, swelling, corrosion. On a scanner, those details matter. If an officer can't immediately identify it as safe, it's gone. Number 7. Electric toothbrushes. The vibration problem. Electric toothbrushes are allowed. That's why losing them hurts. Accidental activation triggers alarms. Cracked handles look modified. Modified electronics get pulled. Clean, intact, secured. That's the only version that survives. Number 8. Drones. How thousands disappear. Drones attract attention before you say a word. Spare batteries in checked bags? Gone. Oversized batteries? Gone. Third-party unlabeled cells? Gone. DIY modifications? That's not a gadget anymore. That's a problem. And the next category, legal doesn't protect you anymore. Number 9. Hidden cameras and spy gear. Devices that don't match what they look like trigger anomalies. Anomalies get pulled. If TSA doesn't understand it instantly, they remove it. Being legal doesn't make it safe to carry.
Number 10. Plasma lighters, the TSA-friendly myth. Plasma lighters are marketed as TSA-friendly. In 2026, that label is misleading. Battery, heat, risk. Officers avoid debate. If they're unsure, it's gone. Here's the truth most travelers don't realize until it's too late. In 2026, anything with a lithium-ion battery is under a microscope. If it's damaged, unlabeled, unprotected, or looks modified, it becomes a problem fast. TSA doesn't care how many times you've flown with it before. They don't need to warn you, and they don't need to be flexible. A few minutes of preparation at home can save you hundreds of dollars and your entire trip. Airport security isn't getting easier, it's getting smarter. Have you ever had something confiscated at the airport? If this video helped you, subscribe. Stay informed, stay prepared, and fly smart.